I'm gonna show you how to do some smoked burgers using a small grill. So what we're gonna do is we put the charcoal all on one side. We're gonna put some wood on top of that, and then we're gonna get the wood and the charcoal nice and hot. I'm gonna put the burgers on the right side of the grill. It's gonna taste just like you smoked them in a smoker. All right, fam. See you when the fire get right. So you can see as we got our fire going, we got some wood that we put on. Don't have to have no big logs or nothing like that. We got some twigs. Just want to get that smoke flavor on it. So we're gonna let them catch and put our grate on there, and then we're gonna smoke our meat. So what we're gonna do, we flip the burgers. You can see, got nice grill marks on them. And then this next go around, we're gonna move them a little bit to the left over those coals so they can finish cooking up. Nice flavor. All right, family, we're gonna move these burgers over to the heat part of the grill and finish cooking them up. As you see, nice, good smoke flavor they got. That's gonna finish them up right there. All right, family.
Let me hold you.
Look and see. Nice grill right there. After we put them on that heat, see how the fire just rolls up. Got them looking good and pretty. Now we gonna eat them. You ready? That's how you smoke on a small grill. As we're doing some hot dogs, we got them on the hot part of the grill. Them hot dogs gonna taste good. Then we got some burgers. We're gonna let them smoke. So you can still see this grill is doing real nice. Just a small little grill that we had. You can grill on anything. So this is what we use this time around. All right, Grill Nation. All right, family, so we got our burgers. We didn't let them rest. We're gonna cut into it. Whoa, look at that juice. Yes, sir. That's that fire right there. Ooh, look at that. Look at the juice. Look at the juice, y'all. Look at the juice. Yes, indeed. That's what you're looking for. All right, family. We're gonna eat these burgers, and we're gonna see you next time on the Grilling Oasis.